peel off the prawns, we need a knife, scissor and a prawn.
Prawns like this. Cut the head. Hold the third segment. Peel it off. Turn your hands. Press from behind. Pull it off. Slice from behind. To remove the vein. In a pan, let's take some oil. Next we add some mustard seeds. We're going to add some fenugreek seeds. Next we'll be adding some cumin seeds. Next we are going to add a handful of coriander seeds. Few peppercorns. Next we are going to use some ajwain or omo in Konkani. Next we are going to add few red chilies. Let's add a few garlic cloves. Next let's add some onions. Now that the onion is translucent, let's add some tomatoes. Now that the tomato is cooked, we'll be transferring this to a pan. Now that we have transferred it to a plate, we are going to the same pan we'll be adding some rice, some boiled rice or white rice. This rice will be transferring to the same plate. Now to the pan we'll be adding grated coconut. To this coconut we'll be adding a little bit of turmeric. Next to the roasted coconut we'll be adding a little bit of curry leaves. Let it roast, and then we'll be transferring it to the same plate and we'll be grinding it. Now this entire mixture we'll be blending in a blending jar. Now in a pan we have taken coconut oil. And once the oil is fried, we'll be adding the prawns to fry. Now that the prawns are half cooked, we'll be adding some potatoes. We'll be adding a little ginger, which will give the flavor to the curry. We'll be adding a little salt to this. Now that we get the smell of ginger and the prawns and the potatoes are also cooked, we'll be adding this paste that we have made. Now that we got a nice boil to the curry, we'll be adding tamarind paste. So the curry is now perfectly ready. We'll be turning off the gas. If you want to garnish it with the fried onions or curry leaves, you can do it. Here our curry is ready. Best served with the tandoor roti or any chapatis or parotas. It's a wonderful recipe. Guys, please try it.